Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an attractive listing EB. To create an attractive EB listing, you need to focus on optimizing your title with keyboard using a high quality photos from a multiple angle, and you could also fill out all the items specific as well. Now basically what you need to do is create an attractive EB listing requires clear detailed information and high quality visuals to help you stand out in search result as well. An attractive listing gives buyer all the information they need to upfront with a build trust and both sales as well. Then your title and item specifies are the most important element for visibility in eBay search algorithm as well. You just have to create a compelling title, fill in all the items specific, and research keyboard as well. You could also take a professional quality photos and videos. You could use a plain background, capture a multiple angle, use a good lighting, upload a video, show flash clearly. This should be able to help you out create an attractive listing as well. So that's the way you could actually do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.